Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the song is legally available as a file. Apple Music streams are protected, so you need a purchased or MP3 copy. Once confirmed, import the file into iTunes or the Music app and mark the exact start and end time for a 30-second ringtone. Make sure to duplicate the track and use the File Convert to AAC option so you can change the extension. This prepares a short, editable audio file you can turn into a ringtone. Once you have the trimmed duplicate, you convert it to AAC so it becomes an M4A file that preserves quality while allowing ringtone use. Next, change the file extension from M4A to M4R. This tells iOS it's a ringtone. Make sure your system shows extensions so you can rename safely. Then connect your iPhone, drag the M4R into the device's tones section in Finder or iTunes, and sync. This places the ringtone on your phone, finally, on your iPhone, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone and pick the new tone you synced. If it doesn't appear, make sure the file was under 30 seconds, not DRM protected, and resync tones. A quick restart often fixes visibility issues. If syncing fails, use GarageBand on the iPhone to import the audio and export as a ringtone directly. This bypasses desktop conversion. This covers creation, transfer, and the key troubleshooting step if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.